Here are the 3 biggest mistakes people make in their bathrooms. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you 4 pro tips on how to fix it. If you've not liked and subscribed, please do so. It makes a huge difference in our channel and how we can help share so much great information with our viewers about renovations, design, and home maintenance. Mistake number 1, not having a focal point. Because there are so many heavy items such as tile, tubs, toilets, windows, in such a small space, they're all standing out. Without a real focal point to start with, everything else can get lost or overlooked. Let's take a look at this picture and see where they went wrong. You have brown tile on the wall, you have white tile on the wall, you have a vanity that kind of just blends into everything. It looks like a unique sink and faucet, but it's really not a focal point, and a small mirror that kind of gets lost with the brown and white tile. And that doesn't even include the brown door and the wood floors. With so much going on in one space and no focal point, my brain really just kind of goes blah. Let's take a look at the next picture. They kind of got it with the red vanity, but then with everything else that's going on, it just really seems lost. You have multiple tile textures, multiple tile colors, 2 tile borders. You have a beautiful chandelier, but it kind of gets lost with the tub, the black door, and even the flooring. So once again, without that focal point, my brain really just gets lost. The second mistake, not maximizing your wall space. Here are a few examples. Vertical shelving, whether made out of wood, metal, or something that you pick up from a big box design store, is a great way to get things up and on the wall you can use for that area, such as fragrances, hand towels, decoratives, or even toiletries. Shower niches, whether vertical or horizontal, are a wonderful way to maximize space. I'm seeing these in both walk-in showers and tub shower combos. In tight spaces or smaller bathrooms, we are seeing wall-mounted sinks and vanities as a way to open up the flow and utilize wall space. It allows visibility for under them, like flooring selections or even storage if you need a basket for some towels or any bathroom products. Plus, it gives much more open feeling in these tight and small spaces. The third mistake that I'm seeing is bathrooms being too dark. In an already small space, the last thing you want is not to be able to see. There's 2 thoughts on this to discuss: color and lighting. That's going to make the difference in these spaces. The only exception to the rule is a powder bathroom. They can be fun, wild, or even dark because you're not getting ready in these rooms or doing makeup or trying on clothes. So my suggestion is be fun and creative in your powder bath. So light colored paint is a huge factor in bathrooms, and of course lighting. Too many bathrooms are way underlit. Adding fixtures, mirrors, wall sconces, LED mirrors, overhead lighting is a great difference, or even chandeliers and decorative fixtures are making their way into bathrooms. Now, let's hear about 4 pro tips to fix these mistakes. Pro tip number 1, using dark tile flooring and light tile walls or painted walls to make small spaces feel so much bigger. This can be achieved by darker grays or even colored tile. Doesn't have to be black or brown. Then finding a light colored tile to match the wall or painting the space to make it feel so much more open. Pro tip number 2, large format tile. This is a huge trend in small bathrooms. It reduces the grout lines or the breaks in the space for your eye to catch. It is something that we're seeing in so many of our remodels and our designer inspirations. Pro tip number 3, same tile on the floor, carrying up through the wall or even right into the shower. This pro tip can help make small spaces feel open and luxurious. Look at this example where the tile on the floor goes right up the wall and opens up the space. Pro tip number 4, painting all non-tiled areas the same color. Going back to how paint, especially light colored paint, can make all the difference in these bathrooms. If you have a darker pattern flooring with light walls or colored tiles with light colored matching walls, this pro tip will brighten up and open up your bathroom by once again removing any breaks from your eyes to catch while giving the feeling of roominess. Now this concludes our 3 mistakes in a bathrooms video. I hope you gained valuable information on how to open up and brighten up these unique spaces that we all spend so much time in. Now we invite you to watch more of our helpful renovation videos and design videos right here on our channel, Built by Becker.